Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're going to take a look at Apple stock, and give you a deep dive into the latest news and chart data to help you decide when and at what price to trade. So let's start with the news. Apple is expected to report its biggest quarterly revenue jump in 2 years on Thursday, with iPhone demand faring better than recent years toward the end of the quarter. This is a significant development, as Apple's earnings reports have historically been major catalysts for stock price movements. On the other hand, Morningstar analysts believe Apple's stock is overvalued with a 2-star rating compared to their long-term fair value estimate of $185 per share. This suggests a potential bearish sentiment among analysts, but they do see a bright future for the iPhone with projected 6% growth for iPhone revenue over the next 5 years, driven primarily by unit sales growth and modest pricing increases. Let's dive into the charts and see if the data supports these narratives. Here we have the daily chart of Apple, showing the price action over the last year. Overall, the trend for Apple on the daily chart is clearly bullish, with consistent price increases and higher highs and lows. We can see a significant upward move starting in late October 2023, coinciding with Apple's strong earnings report. Looking at the most recent price action, we see the stock pull back slightly after hitting a new all-time high of $237.49 on October 15th. This pullback is likely driven by profit-taking as investors anticipate Apple's earnings report and the market reacts to overall economic uncertainty. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a better understanding of the recent price action. On the 1-hour chart, we can see a clear trend of price consolidation, with the stock trading within a tight range between $227 and $232 for the past week. This consolidation is likely due to investors awaiting Apple's earnings report, which could provide a strong catalyst for a breakout in either direction. The 1-hour chart also reveals several key price levels to watch. The $232 level appears to be a significant resistance level, as the stock has repeatedly bounced off this level in recent days. On the other hand, the $227 level seems to be a strong support level, as the stock has held above this level for the past week. A break above $232 would suggest a strong bullish sentiment, while a break below $227 could signal a bearish shift. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to see if we can get a better idea of the immediate direction. The 15-minute chart reveals that the stock has been trading in a narrow range, bouncing between $232 and $233 for the past few hours. This suggests that the market is still undecided about the direction of Apple stock, but there are some potential signs of a bullish breakout. We can see that the price has been testing the $233 level multiple times in recent hours, suggesting that buyers are stepping in. However, it's important to remember that this is a very short-term time frame, and the market could easily reverse. To confirm a bullish breakout on the 15-minute chart, we would need to see a strong price surge above $233, accompanied by high volume. In conclusion, Apple stock is currently trading in a range, with potential for a breakout in either direction. The daily chart reveals a bullish trend, but the 1-hour chart shows consolidation around key price levels. The $232 level acts as resistance, while $227 provides support. The 15-minute chart suggests a potential bullish breakout above $233, but this needs confirmation with high volume. Apple's earnings report on Thursday will be a crucial catalyst for price movement, potentially leading to a breakout in either direction. If the earnings report exceeds expectations, we could see a strong bullish breakout, especially if the 15-minute chart confirms a break above $233. On the other hand, a disappointing earnings report could lead to a bearish sell-off, pushing the stock below the $227 support level. Remember, these are just predictions, and the actual price action may differ depending on the specific circumstances and market sentiment. It's important to be aware of the key price levels, volume, and market sentiment when making trading decisions. Keep an eye on the 15-minute chart for potential bullish breakouts, but be cautious as the market could easily reverse. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis as Apple's earnings report approaches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Explain the Charts videos.